Welcome, and let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token, fake token price prediction before the end of 2030. Yes, so many people, so many crypto traders, holders, some experts are actually predicting fake token to actually increase in price. But remember that fake token is currently trading with about 9 zeros at the time of recording this. That is why a lot of people have been saying, well, fake token delete some zeros, with fake token delete between 2 to 4 or 5 zeros before the end of 2030. Yes, 2030 is a very long period, a very long time to come, but the amount of profit one can make is something one need to really hold on this coin, because the truth is those that hold coins for a very long period of time are those that normally make the most money, especially when these coins start increasing in price. Now, fake token has been predicted to delete between 2 zeros to 4 zeros by most experts. That is by the end of 2030. They believe fake token is really going to hit about 100,000% to 1,000,000% increase in price. But to me, yes, fake token they're doing well for me, because if you take a look at the exchanges that listed fake token, I'm impressed. They just it's not been long they got started, but yet they've been listed by some top exchanges, both Gate.io. Now, fake token, I believe that they should keep doing what they're doing. I mean, they've named fake token, I've really gotten a lot of people attention, feed every gorilla, and people have been talking about this. Even on the Twitter, they have gotten some number of followers. I think they are doing well, they're trying, but I think they should also get this coin to be listed by exchanges like Kucoin, by exchanges like Crypto.com, Binance, Coinbase, and some top. I'm not talking about exchange, I'm talking about the top crypto exchange to list fake token. That is going to bring a lot of impact on fake token on its side. Then also we talk about the burning of fake token circulating supply, if they can also really burn. But the truth is, fake token don't really have much if you want to compare it to that of Tectonic token or Shiba Inu. So I think these two coins have more circulating supply than fake token, which is a good one for fake token, because I believe this coin is going to increase in price. Some top exchanges are already showing interest on fake token, which I believe is going to help fake token to really increase. So before the end of 2030, and in fact in the next few 8 years to come, I think fake token is definitely going to increase in price. Well, to me, if you ask me, I would say if fake token can destroy the number of circulating supply they have, and if also they will gain some top exchanges listing the coin, I think before the end of 2030, fake token is expected to delete between 2 to 4 zeros. Deleting 2 zeros with $100 investment simply means you must have earned about $10,000, and deleting 4 zeros will have give you about almost $1 million. To me, I think that is a good one. If you invest $100, you'll be gaining a top you'll be gaining a lot. So in gaining 100,000% to 1,000,000% is amazing. It's not going to be easy, the journey is not going to be easy, but I still believe that it is possible. But that is why I believe the developers need to keep doing their best to help this coin to increase in price. So please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision, and please kindly invest what you can afford to lose.